She had done what she could. She is come aforehand to anoint my body to the burying. May God bless you. Amen. Ati thei tok ati ani kataksa hi phum turin alo noi lok ani hi kan ti thei tok kan ti ang tharau thiang lim zara lalpan malsawm chero se. Amen.